Go, go.
Okay.
It's like, what is everyone doing up here?
What are you doing? She's so excited about it. Pet his back. Push down on his back.
You feeding him a chair, Ty? Oh, wow.
Oh, Sierra, don't do it.
He's just excited. He doesn't know what's going on. He's just... Look at all this fun stuff over here.
No, now we have to eat breakfast. Jason.
That's awesome.
Let's see if we can get him to dance. He's like trying to make it dance. Okay, we can do it 3 times and then he'll dance.
What?
Let's do it.
Oh, okay, for sure.
Oh, that's Preston. Ty, that's Preston.
Yeah. Huh?
That's Preston.
Great.
No, that's Preston.
You can share. Preston will share.
Yeah, I'm just like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ty's like,
That's right, Ty, straight down. If there's one thing I know, it's that Ty will never be able to eat some milk.
So you should be able to grab his
Little baby
mouth
teeth.
and
Or a graham cracker, because they'll ruin his retainer or whatever it was that ruined your mouth, right?
part of
Oh, a little blow.
Or you can just open his mouth and feed him. Or you can go like this.
Roar!
Right here. Say roar.
Try this.
Right here. Put his tail.
Mickey, why didn't you get this?
Put his tail.
I know, right? Santa got this for Jason.
Yes, Santa.
He's gonna get